I don't just have one single job as a part time. I actually have two jobs. If you guys remember, I posted a YouTube video जिसमें मैं job hunt के लिए गई थी, and some of the people suggested me to just go out and hand over the CV. I would like to offer you the interview, and then I got to know about social media ambassador. After like just few weeks, I was shortlisted as the social media ambassador. They pay me 15.50 something per hour. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this channel, I talk about my London journey, and today I'm gonna talk about that how did I get my job and what the job market looks like in London. So it was nice, sunny out here. It's 7 in the evening, and I was just laying down in my bed, and I was like, "Oh my God, it's sunny! I need to go out and record something." So I just came down from accommodation and I'm sitting at this little corner, which is so peaceful. There's this fountain. I'll show you. And it's just beautiful. I'm recording. I'm with my tripod. I'm sitting alone and recording myself, which is just so fun. Like I always wanted to do this, and I'm able to do it. And nobody cares here, honestly. But yes, coming forward to the topic, मैंने कुछ भी decide नहीं किया कि मुझे किस बारे में बात करनी है. It is like very spontaneous. So whatever comes in my mind, I'm gonna talk about it. And if you guys have any questions, you can always drop it down, and I'll reply to you in the comments, or you can just DM me on Instagram. So coming to that, how did I get a job? If you guys remember, I posted a YouTube video जिसमें मैं job hunt के लिए गई थी. I went to this mall which is like right across my accommodation, और मैंने अपने CV prints कराए थे, and then I gave my CVs to the manager or whoever, like the supervisor. उससे मुझे कोई रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आया था. उसके बाद मैं बहुत डिसपॉइंट हो गई थी. मैंने सोचा कि मैं सेंट्रल लंदन जाऊँगी. मैं उसके बाद वहाँ भी गई थी सेंट्रल लंदन, एंड देन देयर आई गिव माई CV एज वेल. तो मेरा फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी था दैट आई गेट जॉब इन मार्केटिंग, जो कि ऑफकोर्स नहीं हुआ. लाइक ये नहीं हो सकता, लाइक स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर न्यू टू अ कंट्री, यू कैन नॉट गेट अ जॉब लाइक इंस्टेंटली. वो भी आपकी चॉइस ऑफ फील्ड में, वो तो नहीं होगा. तो आई ट्राइड फॉर अ मंथ, बट देन डिड नॉट गेट एनी रिस्पॉन्स. और मैं सच बोलूँ, मैंने अच्छे से अप्लाई भी नहीं किया था. बट देन आफ्टर लाइक अ मंथ आई वेंट आउट देयर, और मैंने जॉब्स के लिए अप्लाई करना चालू किया, एंड आई गेव माई CV. सो आई डिड नॉट just apply online, because I know for sure that this is not gonna work. I've been doing that for like past a month. That did not work out for me. And some of the people suggested me to just go out and hand over the CV. और मैंने कुछ videos भी देखी थी जिसमें लोगों ने बोला था that it's better to go out and give your CV. So that's what I did. And then I just went to the nearby mall, और वहाँ पे तो मुझे ऐसा कुछ रिस्पॉन्स नहीं मिला, बट आई वॉज जस्ट लाइक होपिंग कि हाँ ठीक है, मुझे कुछ मिले. उसके बाद मैं सेंट्रल लंदन में भी गई. आई गेव माई CV टू सम ऑफ द रिटेल स्टोर्स. लाइक देयर वर लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ ब्रांड्स, गुड ब्रांड्स. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि कोई भी मैंने रैंडम ब्रांड्स में कर दिया था. तो ऑफकोर्स उनका एक प्रोसीजर होता है. डे इफ़ यू आर जस्ट गिविंग द CV, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि वो स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्डली आपको जॉब दे दे. ठीक है, दे कैन डू अ फेवर ऑन यू कि हाँ ठीक है, वो आपका नाम राइट डाउन कर लेंगे, एंड मे बी दे जस्ट पास ऑन टू द इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस इंस्टेंटली. बट दैट डजंट मीन कि यू गेट अ जॉब. लाइक अगर आप वहाँ जाके अपना CV दे रहे हो. तो दैट्स व्हाट हैपेंड when I went to give my CV. Some of the brands, they were like कि ठीक है, we'll take your CV, we'll write down your name, you do the assessment online. तो whatever जॉब यू लुक फॉर, आपको असेसमेंट तो करना ही पड़ेगा. लाइक ऑनलाइन असेसमेंट्स होते हैं, एंड देन वंस यू क्लियर दैट, देन इट टेक्स फॉरवर्ड टू द इंटरव्यू. दैट्स व्हाट हैपेंड. लाइक आई डिड फॉर सम ऑफ द ब्रांड्स, बट आई डिड नॉट गेट एनी रिस्पॉन्स. और कॉन्स्टेंटली मैं ऑनलाइन भी अप्लाई कर रही थी. उसके बाद मैंने फिर से सोचा कि लेट मी जस्ट गो अगेन टू द मॉल विच इज़ लाइक अक्रॉस माई अकोमोडेशन, क्योंकि मैंने बहुत सिलेक्टिवली CVs दिए थे. आई डोंट नो मेरे दिमाग में क्या था कि I just wanna get into the famous brands, और या तो जो जिनका नाम अच्छा है, because that would be good on my CV. तो मैंने उस हिसाब से I just gave my CV to selective brands, and of course I did not get the response. What I did, then I went again to the mall, और फिर मैंने तब हर मतलब छोटे बड़े सारे स्टोर्स में जाके मैंने बात की, एंड Then I went to this one store where I met the manager directly, and he was really sweet. He was like, "You look like someone, that who can do the job, and I would like to, offer you the interview. I'll take your CV, or मैं अभी holidays पे जा रहा हूँ. I'll come back and then I'll call you for the interview." And I was just so happy. It's just, कि इतने टाइम से सब इतना बुरा चल रहा था, and then this was just कि ओह माय गॉड, मतलब एकदम से मुझे इंटरव्यू के लिए ही उनने बोल दिया सीधे. तो आई वाज रियली हैप्पी अबाउट दैट. एंड आफ्टर दैट व्हाट आई डिड वाज कि मैं 1 वीक बाद वापस से गई, बिकॉज़ आई डिड नॉट गेट एनी रिस्पॉन्स वहाँ से. उन्होंने मुझे कॉल भी नहीं किया, कुछ भी नहीं किया. तो आई वाज लाइक, लेट मी चेक कि भाई मतलब किसी और को तो नहीं ले लिया है. आई वेंट अगेन इन द स्टोर एंड आई आस्क्ड. तो वहाँ पे उस टाइम पे वो मैनेजर नहीं था. The other manager was there, and I asked her. That told me that he'll offer me the interview and everything, and she was like, "He's not here. He's on his holiday currently. So once he come back, he'll um oh my god, a lady was watching me." But yeah, so once he come back, he'll call you. I was like, okay. I waited, did not come. And then again, like after a couple of days, I just went on casually, and I saw him that he's there, and I went there. I said hi. I was like, "Do you remember me?" I gave you my CV and blah blah blah. And it was like, "Of course I remember you. I just came from my holiday, and I was about to reach out to you." He was like, "You can come on this day. I'll take your interview." और फिर उसके बाद मैं गई उस डे. मतलब I went the day he said me to come. और he was really sweet. He took my interview. He just asked me, some of the questions, और मैंने उसको बताया. And he was really happy with me. He was like, "You look like, someone who can adapt to it really quickly. You look like a quick learner." Everything, मतलब उनको लगा कि हाँ, I'm capable to do it. So he just offered me the job. And that's how I got my first job. I don't just have one single job as a part time. I actually have two jobs, because in London, like, you are restricted as an international student to do 20 hours. And what 20 hours we complete karna is somehow difficult, because not all the jobs are going to give you those 20 hours. So job तो मिल जाएगी शायद, पर आपको वो hours मिलते हैं कि नहीं, because at the end you want to take out your expenses. तो I was like, मैंने मतलब यूनिवर्सिटी पे भी आई यूज टू अप्लाई लाइक ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसेस. मतलब जैसे ही मैं आई थी, मैं देखती थी यूनिवर्सिटी के पोर्टल पे कि व्हाट ऑल थिंग गोज ऑन. देन आई गॉट टू नो अबाउट स्टूडेंट एम्बेसडर प्रोग्राम, कि मैं उसके लिए अप्लाई कर सकती हूँ. आई कैन गेट पेड फॉर दैट. एंड देन आई गॉट टू नो अबाउट सोशल मीडिया एम्बेसडर, एंड आई वाज लाइक, oh my god, I need to apply for this. Like, how can I not do this? And when I saw that application, I instantly applied for it. And they had their requirements. They wanted me to, record a day in my life, which I'm very good at. I did it. Like, I recorded a day in my life in the university. And then after, like, just few weeks, I was shortlisted as the social media ambassador. Basically, I have like two jobs in UK. But is that enough to survive? Is that enough to take out your rent, your grocery, your expenses in London? I won't say 100%, because the income is very uncertain here. मतलब यहाँ पे कोई guarantee नहीं है that I'm working at a retail store that they are going to give me fixed hour in a week. I'm working as a social media ambassador, they'll give me any fixed hour. So, it is really uncertain. Like, on an average, I'm like able to do 16 hours, 17 hours. Sometimes I do 20 hours as well, but like it depends. Like, it is not fixed that, oh, I can completely get 20 hours shift. And but like itna ho jata hai that, I'm able to take out my rent, my expenses. So somehow I manage it. Okay, but yes, like it is quite, fun to do, like especially the social media ambassador job, because that's like a dream job, right? Like, I love creating content, and that's what I have to do, and I get paid for it. And that is like a plus thing on my CV as well. So, well, a social media ambassador job ke liye to I'm like very happy, because I have that on my CV. Another thing that I would like to talk about is that how much you get paid. So most of the jobs that you'll do in UK, like as a part time, would be like basic pay. Okay, now that UK basic wage pay has been increased, if you're like about 21, you'll be get paid 12.71, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so it's updated from 12.21 to 12.71. So that's how, like most of the stores, most of the restaurants pay the basic wage. But like in some job roles, you get paid higher as well. So it depends on the job, but most of the students जिनको भी मैं जानती हूँ, they are earning somewhere around 13.50 and yeah, इतना काम कर रहे हैं. But for my social media ambassador job, the pay is really good. Like they pay me 15.50 something per hour, and which is a really good rate. आई विश कि वो मुझे ज़्यादा आवर्स देते तो मैं किसी और जॉब करती नहीं, बट द job is like more of freelance, so they give me brief like maybe one brief or two brief in a month. So it's really uncertain. There's no fixed hour key they are going to give me this many hours in a week. So that's the drawback about it, but I think it is a good thing to have on resume. So I just want to say that if I can do it, anyone can. You just need to be patient about it. You need to constantly work on it. I won't tell you to give up. Like don't give up. यहाँ आके इतना अगर like if you're from a middle class family, like how much it takes to come here. So you gotta make it happen. You gotta make your parents proud. You gotta do it for your family, for your loved ones. So yeah, I mean, keep hustling, keep doing things, keep making yourself proud, your parents proud. If you have any questions, you can always ask me. You can DM me, you can comment down. I'll be like more than happy to answer it. And I would make like some more videos on the similar topic. अभी तो मैंने बहुत randomly बनाया just to tell you the story that how did I get the jobs and how did I get actually two jobs in London as a student. So that's a big thing. I think I did something big. Like I'm doing two jobs like at the moment as a student, which is like great, and I'm kind of proud of that. So that is it for today's video. If you like the video, please make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.